In this clip, I'll be adding the coconut milk, the lemon juice, and the maple syrup to our sauce. So I'm just going to add a half a cup of coconut milk. And coconut milk contains a high amount of fat, but a lot of people think that it's a bad fat, which in fact, it's the type of fat that helps the body to metabolize fats better. So it helps you to burn more calories. It's important when buying coconut milk that you're buying the whole coconut milk, not low fat, because then the beneficial fat of the coconut milk is removed. So I'm just going to add that in here. It's delicious to even just drink on its own. It's one of my favorite special treats. And then I'll add maple syrup. So I have a pure maple syrup, which is also important. When buying a maple syrup, you want to read the contents of the syrup itself and make sure that it's a pure syrup, because a lot of the times maple syrups have high sugar corn syrup content and it's not an actual maple syrup. I'll add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Maple syrup is high in manganese, which is an important trace mineral. It has zinc in it as well. And I'll add 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. And I'm just mixing all of the ingredients together.